High memory usage has become a huge topic lately. Memory prices are climbing when Windows 11 applications like Discord, Teams, and the new WhatsApp app are chewing through RAM more than ever, and it's killing your computer's performance. If your PC is sluggish, frequently freezing, or showing 80–90% memory usage even when you're just sitting idle, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to share some simple, completely free methods to help you slash that memory usage and get Windows 11 running smoothly again. Hey guys, welcome to 4D. Think of RAM as your PC's short-term memory. It's where your CPU keeps the stuff it's actively working on. Windows 11 can eat up RAM for a few main reasons: too many apps starting at boot, heavy background services, or simply limited physical memory. But don't sweat it. Even though Microsoft hasn't fully fixed this memory management issue yet, there are some clever ways you can free up that memory and significantly speed up your Windows 11 PC. Let's dive in. Method 1. Close apps that are hogging memory. Sometimes, applications just sit there like they own the place, silently eating RAM for breakfast. We need to find and stop those memory hogs. Open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+S. Click on the memory column header to sort apps by usage. Look for the heavy hitters like Discord, Microsoft Teams, or those forgotten Chrome tabs. Click the app you don't need right now and hit End Task. Method 2. Disable unnecessary startup programs and background services. If your PC takes forever to boot, chances are a bunch of unnecessary apps are fighting to load themselves before you even log in. Press Win and RI, type misconfig, and hit Enter. Go to the Services tab. Check Hide all Microsoft services, that's important, then click Disable All. Next, click the Startup tab. Select Open Task Manager. Go through that list and disable any app you absolutely don't need launching at boot. Method 3. Shut down the SysMain service, Superfetch. The SysMain service, also known as Superfetch, tries to help by preloading apps into memory based on your habits. But sometimes, it just causes RAM usage to creep up while idle. Press Win and RAU, type Services, MISC, and hit Enter. Find SysMain, double-click it. Click Stop, then set the startup type to Disable. Press Apply and OK. Method 4. Clean up temporary junk file. Junk files and clutter can indirectly affect your system's overall performance. Clearing out old temp files is a quick way to free up space and make things run smoother. Here's how to do it safely. Press Win+R, type Temp, and hit Enter. Press Ctrl+A to select all files, then hit Delete. Don't worry, these are just temporary files. Nothing important will be lost. Next, search Disk Cleanup from the Start menu, select your C, drive. You can check the boxes for temporary files, system cache, and the recycle bin. Leave personal folders like Downloads unchecked to be safe. This is perfect if your PC feels slow overall or if you haven't cleaned it in a while. Method 5. Replace heavy desktop apps with web version. This is one of the most effective tricks for modern heavy apps. Instead of running the memory-hungry Discord desktop app or the new WhatsApp desktop app, try using the web version in your browser. You get nearly all the same features, but with dramatically lower memory usage. Method 6. Stop Undo to free stuck memory. The Undo service was intended for network diagnostics, but in recent versions of Windows, it can sometimes grab a lot of memory and just refuse to release it, causing a constant leak. So press Win+RU, type Regedit, and hit Enter to open the registry editor. Navigate to this location. Find the key for Start, double-click it, and change the value to 4. This disables the service. Click OK, close the registry editor, and restart your PC. Method 7. Tweak visual effects. While the elegant animations in Windows 11 are nice, they quietly consume system memory. Let's cut some of them. Press Win and RI, type System, Cool, and hit Enter. Go to the Advanced tab. Click Settings under Performance. Choose Adjust for best performance or manually uncheck the effects you don't need. Then, click Apply. OK. High memory use can cause apps like Discord or Word to crash. And if you haven't saved your work, that data is instantly gone. This is where the specialized tool, 4D Windows Data Recovery, is a lifesaver. It's designed specifically to bring back files lost due to system crashes, accidental deletion, or corrupted drives. Check the download link below to install 4D. Once installed, the recovery process is simple. Simply choose the local disk where you lost the files, typically your C drive. Hit Start to initiate the scan. You can filter for specific file types like documents or photos before you scan to save time. It sorts files by type, making it easy to find what you need: videos, documents, photos, and more. Once you find your target files, select them and click Recover. If this video helped you solve your sluggish PC problems, give us a like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.